Alright, good day and welcome to this channel. In this video we are going to be working on the crown cork. In the previous video we worked bottle and we did a render of the bottle. If you would like to preview, or if you would like to go through the video of how we created the bottle, the link can be found in the description of this video below. So now we are going to commence work on the crown. So the first thing we'll do is to insert a circle. Let's pull it out. So with the circle selected, we switch to edit mode. We are currently on edge mode, so we'll switch to vertex mode. With all the vertices selected, we are going to extrude along the y-axis. After which I'm going to press F to fill. With this row of edges still selected, I'm going to press Ctrl B to activate bevel edges, and I'm going to pull down. I think I'll prefer 2 splits like that. Is okay. I'm okay with this. So the next I'm going to do, I'll switch to face mode. I'll click on one of the faces, hold my Alt key down and click. This will select the entire row of faces here. So all I'm going to do now is I'll go to select and click on checker deselect. Alright, so I'm going to press Alt E to show my extrude options, and I'll click on extrude faces along normals. So I'll extrude this face inwards a little. I think I'm okay with the way it is. So the next I'll switch to edge mode, and I'm going to select this edge, the bottom edge on one of the faces that was extruded, and I'll go to, I'll hold Alt and select the entire row of edges. Then I'll go to select, checker deselect. So what is giving me now is it's selecting every other selecting every other bottom edge of the faces that we are not extruded. So I want to change this to 1 because I want to select the faces that we extruded. Okay, so changing this to 1, now you can start it as switch to select these faces. So that's what I want. I want to press X and edge to delete those edges. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do now is we will add a subsurface modifier. That's it. So I'm going to just increase this level to 3. So that's our crown. So the next thing we're going to do now is to add the material, talking about the red color and the label, Coca-Cola label on it. So in order for us to do this, we're going to switch to edit mode. We'll select all of the vertices by pressing A to select everything. You can do that in vertex mode or any other mode. You press U and click on unwrap to unwrap it. So we'll switch to UV edit mode. It shows all the island there. So we're going to come here straight. We'll navigate to where we have our material. So this is our material. There is a link to this material in the description below, so kindly use it to download the material while you are trying it on your own. So here we are going to have the material like this. So come back to layout mode. In layout mode now, normally we'll come to click on material, then material will come to new. So let's just say crown. Say crown label. So come down here where you have base color, we'll click on this. Then we'll come to image texture. So on image texture, we'll click on open. Then we'll go back to that same texture that we inserted. Go back to that same texture, click on the texture. So here we have our image texture. Then we'll switch to edit mode and click on assign to assign that texture to the crown. So now we go to our shading mode. You can now see that the right top is on it, but then it's flipped, so we need to go and flip it to the right direction. So we'll go to edit mode. In edit mode, we press A to align the entire island. We press S to scale and X to scale it along the X axis. You're going to drag it across like this. So let's check it out. Alright, we are good to go. So next thing you are going to do, let me just rotate it. Select the crown and rotate it along the Z axis. Okay, let's position it like this. Then on front view, in order to quickly align it to the bottle, since we have our cursor here, with the crown selected, we press Shift S and say selection to cursor. So to place the crown where the cursor is. So let's just switch to front view and move the crown upward and scale it down. Scale it down. Alright, I think we are okay like this. Alright, so we're going to render it. Let's switch to camera view. Let's render the crown and the bottle together and see how it looks like. Alright, so this is the complete render, and I've also taken my time to do another render. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell so that you don't miss out on our subsequent videos. Please give us a thumb up, and you can also drop a comment if you have a question to ask pertaining what we have just done. Thank you very much, and for now, it's bye from me.